Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and I thought I'd share the Easter baskets that I made up for my granddaughter. She does watch this channel with her mom, so I didn't want to put this up earlier. She's only 4, but she's a smart cookie. So if you want to see what's in her little basket and bag, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, I'm starting off with this little hat that I got at the Dollar Tree. It's cute, but I want to jazz it up a bit. And this is for my granddaughter, Lily. So I'm getting out some of ribbons and all kind of good stuff to make this really special for her. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this flower off and this ribbon, and then we'll get started decorating. They actually had this sewn in with the tag, so I took the tag out. I was kind of surprised. This is elastic. I might have to save that for one of my planners. But this is the back where the tag was. And I'm just going to get started deciding what I'm going to use. Okay, all I did was put some pink satin ribbon all the way around, and I just spot glued it so that the glue didn't come out in the back. And then I put little roses all the way around, mainly to tack the top of the ribbon down. And the back, I kept simple with satin ribbon and some pearls and some lace, and I put 3 little roses there. And this is going to be really cute for her to play dress up with. It's hard to believe it's a Dollar Tree hat. Okay, for her basket, I got her a little tutu. It's one of those little fairy ones that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using that instead of the Easter grass. And I got her a little bunny, and I put a rose on there to match her hat with a little bling in the center. And I got her a little pair of ears so that she can play dress up with that. And of course I have to tuck the ears behind the bunny. And I did get her a little candy, not too much. I got her a chocolate Easter bunny. And some animal crackers, just like her little brother has. And I've got these little miniature 3 Musketeers and some Twix. And a Milky Way. And I got her some of the Reese's peanut butter miniatures. I decided to put those little miniatures in some plastic eggs just to give it a little more color. She's also getting a card with money in it so she can go buy whatever she wants. And I'm just going to put her little card with the money in behind the bunny, the chocolate bunny. And I got her a little tote bag with princesses because she is my little princess. And I'm just going to put her hat right in there. And this is what she's got for Easter. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.